Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video I want to let you know that you can start with $10 and you will be able to earn daily. Some people saw my video recently, the ones that I recorded for $400 every month, and then the other one I recorded for $19 on a daily basis, and they were asking me if I started earning using $10. And I said, of course, you can start with $10, but you cannot expect to earn $19 with your $10 start. Okay, so it depends on the amount of money and the kind of property that you have purchased within the back office for you to earn that kind of money. Okay, but don't get me wrong, estate has made it possible for every single individual to start earning daily, which means you can start right now with $10. But as I said, $10 is not going to earn you any good money. Okay, let me show you my back office so that you will understand what I mean. So if you register today and you completed your KYC, it will bring you to this dashboard. Of course, the figures that you are looking at just now, you may not have all of them there because you just registered, you've not purchased any property. It's only when you purchase property that is when you begin to see some numbers and figures, okay, on your dashboard. But let's say you want to purchase a property. You just click on my left hand side here where it says real estate. Click on it. When you click on it, it will open this page for you. When this page opens, look at the right hand side here. You will see what is called profit calculator. This profit calculator will give you an idea of how much you will be able to start a particular property with and how much you will be able to earn as well for that property over daily basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, and even when you are going to break even. So, as I said from my video caption here, start with $10. It's possible. And this is the apartment that you can purchase a fraction of it for $10. This one that is called apartment MIA, apartment in Miami. That is what that means. You can start your investment with $10. But if you go to the bottom of the calculator, it will tell you how much you are going to earn for your $10 investment and how much you are going to earn every month for your $10 investment and when you are going to break even. Okay, but if you go to the next apartment, which is the one in Seattle, right, that will start you minimum $117. And you will notice that you will earn more with this apartment because we are starting with a higher deposit, okay, a higher amount. Now if you don't want to do the apartment, if you want to do the houses, you can start with the houses as well. Again, the profit calculator will tell you exactly how much you are going to be earning if you start with the houses. Okay, now if you don't want to do the house property, say if you want to do a higher property for the villa, this villa on will give you a minimum to start $3,120, and then you will be earning $19. So for those of you that were asking me, in my DM and people that are sending me messages on WhatsApp, if they are able to earn $19 every day with just $10, that is possible, but you have to start with a higher amount of money, right? So for you to do that, for you to earn the $19 on a daily basis, this is where you need to be. And this is the amount of money that you need to invest for you to earn $19. Because they saw my result, they thought, oh, so Bright said I will be able to start with $10. That means I will be able to earn $19 on a daily basis. Of course, you will earn some money with your $10, but not $19 on a daily basis. For you to earn $19 on a daily basis, you need to be able to select one of the villa properties and purchase with a minimum of $3,120. That will not earn you $19 daily, right? The earnings are between Mondays to Fridays. No Saturdays, no Sundays, only Mondays to Friday. All right, guys. So this is it. You can start with $10, but $10 will not earn you $19 on a daily basis. The only way you can earn $19 on a daily basis is when you start with $3,120 and you purchase a fraction of the villa estate. Okay, if you purchase the Miami apartment with $10, you will earn less than $19. Okay, according to the profit calculator. Everybody is welcome to use the profit calculator. Just so you know, if you register today, just you have access to this dashboard, so you can do the same thing, okay, that I am doing right now. Just select your apartment, enter the amount you want to use to purchase a fraction of that estate, and then boom, it will calculate how much you are going to earn. Okay, so don't get me wrong, starting with $10 is okay, but it's not going to earn you the $19 you saw me advertising and sharing with you guys. The only thing that will earn you $19 is when you start with the villa estate. That is the one that is going to earn you that money, and it's a fraction of it that we are actually purchasing. We are not purchasing the whole property, just so you know. So if you are interested in starting with $10 today with a Miami apartment, the link to do so is below this video description. You can start today with $10, and later on, as I said, you can add more money to get you onto the level that you want to be, right? So guys, the link to sign up is below this video description. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless.